So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video I will explain how to read data from the file. So as you can see, this demo.txt, this file is empty which we created in the previous video. So let's just type some data manually. That let's just say this is the line and second line. So these are some text which I have wrote in this file. Let's just say now we want to read our content. So here instead of W, we will then write R for the read mode. And let me just cut this comment. And here reading data from the file is very simple. You just have to type file. I am typing file because I have assigned my file everywhere. You can see. So here file dot read, and now this file dot read will read the content, and now we must save our content somewhere. So let's just say we will save it in content, and now simply just print our content. So let's just hit the output buttons. You can see here in the output we got our text which is in our this file. So this is how you read data from the file. Also in the read function, you can pass a parameter. Here what I mean is you can pass how many bytes you want here in your output. So let's just say 10. And now when I will hit the buttons, you can see in the output we got output up to 10 bytes. So this is something you can do. And also there is one another operation which you can perform is the read line operation. So here's how you can write read line, and what it will essentially do is it will only print a single line from a file. And let me just show you here in the output. You can see our first line is printed. So this is what read line is do. So this video was all about how to read data from the file. In next video I will just write some text in the file and show you how to perform operations in the writing mode. So check it out and ask me your queries in the comment section.